All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time I will show you how to install a pirated game. You know why I put this video on my channel? Because we all know an original game is very expensive, and I believe only few of you that want to spend a lot of money just to buy a single game. So let's get started. Okay, this time I will use The Sims 3 as the example of the game. So you can download it from the internet like Ocean of Game, Ova Games, or Bagas 31. And if you have downloaded the file, just right click extract files, then choose the drive and the folder you want to overwrite the game. Click OK and wait for the extraction complete.
One eternity later.
Okay, now the extraction is complete, and you just have to go to the folder that you have choose. Okay, now you see a setup. Now all you have to do is turn off or disable the antivirus. So choose the Windows Defender Security Center, choose Virus Threat Protection, click Virus and Threat Protection settings, then turn off the real-time protection. Now you all have set. Just double click the setup, and the setup will install every important file that your game needs. After that, the auto files will show up. Just mount this file with daemon tools or other tools. Double click. And the file will show up as a drive, the G drive. So you will see a lot of files. Just choose the Sims 3 setup. Choose your language. Okay, then now all you have to do is just follow the step until finish. Next, choose your language, and now I will choose Indonesia. Click accept. Now the game will ask production key, and I have the production key from the video that I have downloaded before. Here we are. Just write down the key. Oh, sorry, I just closed the video. Okay. SGFA, C5G4, S4, and the last one is 1911. Sounds a police number. And then click next. And now it will start installing, but before we have to select a setup type. Just choose a custom if you want to change the direct path of the game. Next. And change the folder that you want to choose to override the game. Now I choose games folder on my laptop. Just make new folder. Click next. Just check everything. Oh no, start menu items. I don't like it. And install. Now all we have to do is wait the installation complete. Come on. Just close the program. Okay, it will take a long time. I have to wait. Come on. Okay, it's complete. Now check out the finish, then copy the correct file on the correct folder to the directory of the game. Okay. Now faster. Just replace the file in the destination. Okay. And the game works perfect. Thank you.
嘘嘘